Hello everyone, hope you are great and doing well. Today I'm here with a new topic in which I will tell you about how you can factory reset your mobile in VIVO Y21T. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's see how you can factory reset your data, like how you can reset your mobile to the stage it was like the new mobile. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand about the factory data reset of your VIVO Y21T. Let's watch the video.